Today we're going to be making a Copycat Pillsbury toaster strudel here on LCD. You're going to need some powdered sugar, puff pastry, granulated sugar and water, and of course your favorite berry. I'm using blueberries. You can start by smushing up those blueberries with a little water. Just going to mix it until it's a good consistency. Go ahead and roll out that puff pastry, cut it into squares or rectangles, however you like. Go ahead and roll out the puff pastry until it's pretty thin. And you're going to go ahead and add your egg wash to all sides. Add your filling, close it with a fork, and go ahead and set it aside. I'm going to do one more, and of course, like I said before, if you didn't see my video with the pizza rolls, you can also put this recipe in the air fryer. I believe it will turn out just as great. I am going to go ahead and put these in the oven. Going to go ahead and get this much water, add your powdered sugar, keep adding until it's pretty thick. You don't want it too runny. That's pretty good right there. Go ahead and bring out that beautiful baked toaster strudel, add your glaze on top, and it really is that simple and delicious, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe because it's very delicious. Thanks for watching.